So I'm going to show you two indicators, the CCI and Williams percentage. The top one is the CCI and the Williams is the bottom one. I also use 3 different moving averages, 1 for trend and 2 to see where the candles are going. For all the settings, you can go down into the description and use the links and even learn a couple of my strategies for free. You could see right now that we just had a cross of moving averages, which normally means a direction change, as we've already seen that the direction change was happening. And you can see that is reflected in the CCI and Williams. Let's dive deeper. I'm going to draw an arrow here. We have a kink in the moving average. When we see this kink, we had one here and it went up. That means that this candle is going to have a upward momentum. And then we have another kink at an angle. This one up like that. That means that this candle is also going to go up. And there's 2 other indications. This moving average comes through this candle from the bottom left at a 45-degree angle. And there's a kink. That both of those things right there tell you that this is going to have upwards momentum. Same with these 2 candles, it goes through the bottom, and this is the 5 EMA. We have 0 movement. Now from this candle going up, now we have upward momentum. With all 3 of these candles, then it went sideways. We don't trade a sideways movement. That's one strategy. You would have made money here, 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 and here for 5 seconds. See the kink, you go up. See the kink, you go up. Now, what if we look at this? We had this kink and you could see this reflected here. We have the kink and it goes up. Now, if we look here, you can see we have this kink and it goes up. This is reflected here. You have to understand the behaviors of these indicators in addition to how the candles move, and you're going to make magic money. Now, let's go find where we are. Down below, I'm going to show you what I was creating the video for. We just had a drop of the Williams, and as you can see, this candle is coming down. When we saw that drop, we could have ridden it down for 5 seconds. These indicators show you exactly where they're going. Look right here, the CCI dropped down and the Williams went up. This is one of my strategies called CCI down, Williams up. In a downtrend, that means the candle is going to have a major pull down. If we look right here, we had CCI down, Williams up. That is indication of what? A major pull down. These are the things that you want to be looking for. We're getting stronger as we go down, and we have a major pull down, another major pull down. And then we see we're coming back up. The CCI starts going back up, the Williams drops down, and then we lose momentum, come back up, and now we're dropping again because it wants to go back up, but it can't. Look at this. It's telling you exactly where it's going to go. Now the Williams is coming up and the CCI is going down. That means it's going to pull down. Do you see how this works? Now this is going to go back up a little bit after it pulls down some, and now it's going to go down again. Why? Because we're following what these indicators are telling us. See, this is what I look for when I'm trading. Look at this. Fortune tellers. Look at this. Look what's happening down here. The Williams is down, the CCI is down, Williams is a breakdown through the bottom, the Williams is already below, and we have such a nice, smooth downtrend. You could hit every single one of these candles except for this guy. You would have lost here and here. But we're coming back up. The CCI hit the bottom and came back up. The Williams is coming back up and the CCI is coming back up. We do not trade here. If you want to learn how I get results, then join the Telegram channel, jump in to my free course and learn. But before that, smash that like, hit the subscribe, and you can learn how to do all this.